Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some really amazing iPhone apps that I believe you must try on your device. These are apps that will make your device look really cool, and some of them are actually very useful, will allow you to do a lot more stuff on your iPhone. Now before we get into the apps, I just want to ask you guys a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Now we're starting things off with Galerie. Now Galerie is a wallpaper app that I really like. It has a ton of really cool features that make discovering new wallpapers really easy. Now you will have, of course, the app for free. A ton of wallpapers are free. If you want, you can also get the premium version, which you can get from here, and of course try for 3 days. But you will see this is right here, the home screen. Now at the top right there, it will show you a preview of the widgets that you can have on your home screen, so you discover the new wallpapers. Right here we'll have the live wallpapers, which are really awesome. You have the new wallpapers here, and then the top wallpapers. Now you will have here a search bar where you can search for any wallpaper you want. Going here, you will have the ability to create your own widgets, which is really awesome. You will have your widgets here and the presets right here, so you can just go ahead and discover new wallpapers. Now when you find a wallpaper that you like, you can preview it right here, and then of course the download button if you want to get it on your device. And again, as you can see right here on the home screen, it does have a ton of different categories with a ton of really cool wallpapers that will make your device look really awesome. The next app for the video is called Notis. Now this is how it works. So right here, I'm on Google, and if I search for something or I see a date anywhere, I can just take a screenshot, and then once I go to the screenshot, tap the share button and make sure you find Notis right here. If you don't, then just make sure you tap the more button and it will be down here. Now what you can do is also add it to the favorites if you want to, but once you open it with Notis, what it does is that it automatically creates an event on your calendar. Now you can do this with iOS as well. So on iOS, you can take a screenshot and add an event, basically add it to the calendar, but it's very simple. With Notis, you can see it will identify multiple dates that we see right there on that screenshot, and we can add multiple events at once. Or I can go ahead and select which ones I want to add. Now when I go to add it, it will actually add it with a lot of detail. So if I go right here to the calendar, let's go to June 8th, and you can see here it has created my event, and you can see you will have every detail that you need right there, automatically done by this app. MarkX is an app that allows you to mark up your screenshots or even your pictures, and it allows you to basically add dimensions to the markups that you do. It will be great if you're measuring something, you take a picture of something and you want to add the dimensions. It is actually very useful. So you tap the plus button to add the picture. So here we have just added like a simple screenshot, but just to take, like, basically get an idea of how it works. So right here, as you can see, we can just go ahead and add a line, and you can see that question mark. We can just go ahead and add basically the measurements right there. So we can just go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it will basically add that to the line. So it will be super useful. You can add like different comments if you want to. You can just go ahead and right here, as you can see, zoom in into something. And what you can also do, which is really awesome, is use these like arrows to basically point. You can see the points right there, like when you're measuring something from one point to another, it marks up the point, which is really awesome. You will also have here a crop tool. So anytime you want to add dimensions to something, you can easily use this app. Next up is Radio Explorer. It allows you to basically listen to radios on your iPhone from anywhere in the world. Now right here is the home screen where you will find some recommended ones. As you can see right here, you can browse by different moods and genres, and then you can also browse by countries, then by languages as well, and you will have the trending right here. Now you can also go ahead and just search for any like radio that you know the name of, or you can just go ahead and explore here. So you can see you can go through the map and just explore different radios from different places, which is really awesome. So just like that, you can go ahead and listen to radio live on your iPhone. And the library right here, we will have all the different radio stations that you have recently played or that you actually have saved to listen to them later. Next up is CamRAW, and this is basically a manual camera for your device. Everything can be controlled manually. So you will have the ultra wide, the macro, and you will have the telephoto lens right there. You will have the options right here for HDR and also the resolution and everything else. And then right here you can see it basically shows you the frames per second, the ISO, and everything on that picture, which can be changed here manually. So as you can see, you can just go ahead and change anything you want right here. All the different settings of a picture or a video can be changed live directly from here, letting you basically have full control over your camera. Next up is top widgets. Now with top widgets, you get probably the best widgets that you can get on your iPhone. It is really cool. Now it has a lot of free stuff. A lot of stuff will actually be paid, but you can test it out with a free trial. So you will have the creator right here where you can create like different themes for your iPhone. You will have the dynamic island right here. You can see you can customize the dynamic island. You will have also different wallpapers that you can get for your iPhone, which look really cool. Now right here on the home, we have the widgets that are really like the widgets from this app. You can see how cool they look, and here we have an example of that one which shows you different details regarding your iPhone, all the stats right here, the calendar, you can see right there your name. It shows you basically everything you need to know regarding your device. So you can switch right there, which is really awesome. And then right here we have an app launcher that has these like vertical icons that look really cool. Now here we have another widget app, and this one is called Next Up. It's a countdown, so basically it creates the countdown automatically for you. You tap to create a new countdown, you choose what you want to create it for. So we have holiday right here, tap on next. You can choose the date right here, and you can see how quickly you can basically switch here between different themes, and then just go ahead and choose how you want the widget to look. Tap on next. And just like that, we have created a countdown, which you can then, of course, display on your home screen by adding the widget. From here, go to Edit Widget. You choose the countdown that you want to add. And just like that, you will have your countdown with all the details right on your home screen. Next up is Transparent PNG. It allows you to basically remove the background from your photos. And it has a lot of different options. You know, you can do kind of something similar to this with iOS, but with this one you will have a lot more control over your picture. So you remove the background, you can go here to background and add another one if you want to. You can add an overlay or a mask right there, and then you will also have here different tools like you can restore, you can erase anything you want, or if you want to move the object on the photo, you can do that as well, which is super useful. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to try them out, make sure to check out the link. They will be pinned on the comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.